The markets have been very choppy these last few weeks. Let's take a look at some key crypto and stocks that you need to be investing to so you can get out of debt and free your child support. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, the digital scam that's going to go to zero. That's currently at 109,788. That is currently up 38% of the year. And it's basically all you need to buy right now in order for you to get a 50%, half of the investment that you make right now. If you put $100 in, you get a $50 back. If you put $10,000 in, you get $5,000 back. You get the point, guys. Once this cryptocurrency goes to 150,000. Ethereum is cooling off from the phenomenal run we had this year. We pulled down to about $1,300. And we ran up to about 4,800 to 4,900. And these last few weeks, Ethereum has been on the downside trying to cool off and correct itself. We hit about 3,500. MSTR is another stock that has the opportunity to ×2 where the price is at right now. It's currently sitting at $284, and we touched about $550 in 2024 in November. And now this stock is sitting at a huge sell. We see the stock is getting beat up. It's not really matching Bitcoin's price besides it being down right now. MSTR is trying to finish out this double bottom, and you know this time right now is the best time for you to be buying crypto or buying stocks right now. It's the last week of October. October is a phenomenal month to buy the dip whenever stocks start falling down. Make sure you call the latest Stocktober teas. The stocks like to correct itself in October and November. The first few weeks of November is whenever the stocks start to fly and we start seeing new highs. So make sure you catch the pattern on MSTR and put some nice calls on this, especially towards the end of the year. I'm liking it up on Wix right now. We're currently sitting at $140. Wix was about $189 in September 15, and then we just seen this sickening fall towards the downside, about a 30% drop in a few weeks. And this stock is just another one that's going to have a phenomenal year as more demand it gets for these websites. We're seeing Shopify as competitor then ran up towards the all-time high, and this stock is just the next one right behind it. Pay attention to Wix, and you want to put some nice calls for 2026 for this stock, and it's going to start moving really fast. Consistent wins like it had in August, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight weekly gains for this stock. Another stock that's phenomenal buy the dip opportunity is United Health. The more United Health gets contracts with the government and more people or companies are starting to partner up with health insurance, this stock is going to be one that's going to be huge demand in 2026. I mean, healthcare is going to start coming back. We see all the healthcare stocks are doing horrible right now since the pandemic, but the stock is going to recover as it's down about 50% and $256 from its all-time high. And whenever I see a stock crash 50% in a year, I'm buying the dip. I mean, I'm selling my house, I'm selling my car. Matter of fact, I'm gonna stop paying my child support payments, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start focusing buying this stock consistently, maybe every week, every month, and do whatever it takes for me to get the amount of wealth I need from this stock right here. And the last stock we have on the list is CoreWeave. CoreWeave is currently sitting at $124, and the stock had a phenomenal year ever since it released its IPO. The stock rallied about 100 to 200%. From starting at $30 and went up to $190, and the stock right now is down correcting. It's time for it to cool off, and the CEO is now allowed to sell the shares. And now the stock is needing more room to go up to the upside, but first you want to make sure this stock is clear on this partnership with Core Scientific. Once that clears up and this partnership clears up, this stock is going to be rallying, especially when they bring up AI. Company that starts supporting the data centers with NVIDIA's best graphics card CPUs and graphic card chips. So we make sure that this company is in your top list whenever it comes to ChatGPT, Microsoft, Google, these huge AI companies that it partners up with. But don't go too crazy on this one, just because the stock has huge risk with debt. The stock is how it's built on, how most companies are built on, so you don't want to forget that. But this is a great one to get some huge reward. And that's gonna be it, guys, for the stock analysis and the stock that you guys should be locked in for the next 3 months to end the year. I want to let you guys know that it's not how you start off the year, it's how you finish it. Yeah, you might be down this year or you might be up. Make sure that you guys are taking your profits. You're taking what the market gives you. We're seeing these huge turnarounds in the markets. One day Trump might tweet another tariff on China or a tariff on your mama. So make sure that you are able to take control of what's the capital in your portfolio. And if you haven't started yet, you want to start slowly, feeding your account slowly. Okay, make sure that your bank account, your savings is nice and flourishing too. And always make sure that you're not being too greedy, guys. Greed is how you take a whole kingdom and then you go back to going to Wendy's and McDonald's. So make sure you protect the risk. Make sure you're doing your budget as well, because we won't be able to keep doing this long term. In order to keep investing, you're gonna have to have a tool, which is an income, whether that's your job or whether that's your hustle or whether it's DoorDash or whatever it is. You want to make sure you know how much money you have at the end of the month. We don't need to be making money every day. We don't need to be making money every week. And we don't need to be making money every month if we're not making strategic investments, really stressing ourselves out from what we're doing in these investments. And we've seen that. We've seen both sides this year. We've seen the downside starting out the year. You want to make sure that you are able to keep the same emotion, whether it's either the buyers are buying and you making money, or whenever you're losing money and the sellers are stepping in. So either way, you should be able to profit from both. But if you're not, you should be able to appreciate being neutral. That's going to be it, guys. I hope you guys having a phenomenal year, man. Having a phenomenal week. Comment below if you learned something. See you guys in the next one. We out, man.